everyone, welcome to my channel, the HowStation. My name is Tanvi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all how I did this pink monochrome makeup. Very simple, very everyday, very easy to do. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. I have cleansed and toned my face, and now I'll moisturize it using this VLCC Lavang moisturizer. Usually my skin type is oily, but now due to the winters it's become dry, especially on my cheeks and the area around my mouth. So I'm going heavy handed with the moisturizer over there, and then whatever is remaining I'll spread that all over. I'm going to leave the moisturizer for 5 minutes to let it sink deep into my skin, and while that is happening I'll moisturize my lips using the Nivea Original Care Lip Balm. Five minutes later, the moisturizer has settled into my skin, and now I am going to prime using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. For foundation, I'm using my good old Fit Me from Maybelline. I'll spread it all over and then blend it with a damp beauty blender. Then I apply the Fit Me concealer on the usual areas like under my eyes, on my eyelids to prime them, the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and my cupid's bow. I'll first spread it all over with a brush, and then I will blend it using a beauty blender. Now before setting my face with powder, I will take this Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Mauve Magic, and I'll apply it on my cheeks as a blush. This has got a creamy texture, so I am doing this step before powder. After I've done blending the blush, aka the lip crayon, I will set my T-zone in place with the L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact, and then whatever is remaining I will apply that all over my face and neck. Then I'll take that same Lakme lip crayon and apply it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow. Now since the texture of this crayon is creamy, I'll apply this pink blush from ADS on top of it to kind of set it, or else it is going to cause a complete mess. After that, I'll take the Savannah Bronzed Professional and apply this contour shade with my blending brush into my crease and the outer corner of my eye for some shading. And then with a small pencil brush, I'll apply that same shade on my lower lash line as well. And then I'll contour / bronze up my face with that same contour from Savannah Bronze Professional. And then with the highlighter shade again from Savannah, I'll highlight all the usual areas of my face. Now I fill in my eyebrows using that same contour shade from Savannah. And last but not the least, I'll wipe off the excess lip balm from my lips and apply that same Lakme lip crayon in the shade Mauve Magic on my lips to complete my look. So guys, that was how I did the pink monochrome makeup, and I forgot to do one step while doing my makeup, that was curling my lashes and applying mascara. So I did that before doing the outro and the intro. And the mascara that I used is this one from Lakme, Iconic Curling Mascara. So yeah, I used this one on my lashes. I first curled them and then I put on this mascara. So yeah, I forgot to do that step, so I did that off camera, but I've done that step and now my lashes are coated in mascara. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care of yourselves, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.